So we're going to the direction of bus 1819, no? So we just arrived mga past 12 o'clock in the evening. So how's Taiwan so far? Yeah. Mga 1 o'clock na kami nakalabas sa immigration. So we are going to the bus kasi if you ride a taxi it's almost 2,000 or 1,500 Taiwanese dollar. So they have public transport, so we'll be going kasi Taipei is around 50 kilometers from here. Bus to city. So from yung arrival hall palabas ka, you turn left, no? You turn left. Ayan. Chocolate gabi, kumain ka? Mag-bus mo tayo. Ikaw? Ito is going ito May, oh May, doon tayo magkaan siguro. Gusto mo kumain pa? Tanong natin yung oras ng arrival. So this is yung bus. Yan o, 1819 nga eh. Tanong natin schedule. So this is ito ate. Exit to. Kaso nakasara to dito. Kasara. Let's buy muna ng kwan doon. I think we have to buy Easy card. Here. Bili muna tayo dito. Here. I-inquire doon. I-inquire. Easy card. I-inquire nga. Easy card. Tapos bili tayo ng kana. Inquire ng Easy card. For small food na siguro para hindi tayo may matagalan. So we'll get some food here. May Easy card na ito. 7-Eleven. Tawid gutom lang nakuan. Oh.